Police intensified search for a woman abducted while walking in the morning. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaica Labour Party JLP caretaker for Southeastern Andrew is calling on law enforcement to intensify their efforts to bring to justice those responsible for two recent violent attacks against members of the party. In the latest incident, a JLP electoral scrutineer was abducted on Saturday near Downer Avenue in the Swallowfield area of the constituency. According to reports, Lorna Robertson, also known as Nikki, was forced into a vehicle by unknown assailants around 5:36 a.m. She was abducted a day before the funeral service of JLP activist David Clark, also known as Roger. Clark was shot and killed in April at his home, also located in Swallowfield. The motive for both attacks remains unclear. The JLP caretaker for the constituency is calling for a targeted police intervention in parts of the constituency to restore safety and protect residents. So far, a $500,000 reward is being offered for the safe return of Ms. Robertson. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.